Hello, beautiful souls. Today we're exploring how to create a personal vision board for 2025. This is a powerful tool to help you achieve New Year resolutions. Now you might be wondering, is this just art or does it actually do something? Great question. A vision board isn't just a pretty collage, it's a powerful tool for clarity and focus. The key is to choose visuals that not only inspire you, but also point to specific actions you will take. By seeing these images and phrases every day, we're programming our subconscious mind. We're making our goals a part of our daily reality, which in turn shapes our choices and actions. Before we dive in, let's talk about what we need. We need a foam board, double-sided tape, a pair of scissors, glue, and most importantly, printed images and phrases. First things first, we need to decide what to focus on. For me, it was clear, improving health. I wanted to share a little story before we get started. Last year, I experienced a bit of a health scare. In just 1 year, I gained nearly 20 pounds and most of the fat stayed in my belly area. Even more alarming, I noticed a dark skin spot between my collarbone and armpit, which can be an early sign of type 2 diabetes. These might seem like small changes, but for me, they were huge red flags. You see, diabetes runs in my family. Suddenly, at the tender age of early 30s, I realized I was on the verge of potential type 2 diabetes. So in 2025, my goal is to take charge of my health and prevent getting type 2 diabetes. But your focus might be different. Maybe it's about mental health, fitness, career, or relationships. Whatever it is, let it come from your heart. It's all about you and not copying other people's lifestyle. Then we move to the fun part. Head over to websites like Pinterest or unsplash.com. There are tons of inspiring, high-quality and copy-free images on unsplash.com, so I highly recommend you to use that. Type in the keywords and search for visuals that resonate with your goals. In my case, I look for photos of low-carb meals bursting with colorful veggies and lean proteins, pictures of green tea, egg, and homemade fermented foods, and inspiring fitness figures to remind me of my muscle strengthening goals. I also created some bold phrases using the visual editing app called Canva. I've created a download link of this design, and you can easily print out my design and make your own labels. Next, channel your inner artist. Lay everything out on your foam board. Don't overthink it. Follow your intuition. Move things around until the arrangement feels right. Remember, there is no wrong way to do it. It's all about what speaks to you. Once you are happy with your layout, it's time to commit. Use your glue to secure everything in place. As you do this, take a moment to connect with each image and phrase. Feel the intention behind them. Lastly, find a spot for your vision board where you will see it every day, maybe on your wall or on the back of your door. Keep it in plain sight. Creating this vision board has been more than just a fun craft project for me. It's been a journey of self-discovery and commitment to my health. It stands as a daily reminder of the path I have chosen and the goals I'm working towards. I encourage you to give it a try. Create your own vision board tailored to your own unique journey. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress and self-love. If you like my video, please like and share. Until next time, take care of yourself. And I wish you a wonderful 2025.